Yo, what's good? Today, IXEL ONEEEE community. Still a new channel, but who cares? We have got ourselves our Drand skin ready to go. It's gonna be sick. So let's open this baby up, and we still have that other packet we gotta unbox. I might do that today or not. And we got my iPhone 7 Plus. Okay, so technical difficulties. Number one, I was recording with my iPhone 7 Plus, and that's exactly what I'm using, which I can't use that. So let's be savage, okay? And I just chucked my case, which I don't know why that was so savage, but it still is. And my lighting is bad, so I gotta fix that right now. Okay, so now we're ready for this video and less of the cringy shit that you guys probably don't like. I have loved this for absolutely forever. If I put it more in the light, for example, right there, I don't know, you can see it's gold, right? It looks pretty good, I'd say. I do really love it. But as you can see, ripped off. I put a UAG case on it because I needed a case, and it mucked it up, so I kind of just tried to rip that one off. It was actually pretty clean, but this side, yeah, I didn't give a shit. But anyway, I'm gonna be ripping that off now and chucking a beautiful thing on it. So thank you for that. Really needed that. These are really good. Now you're gonna actually have to do these steps properly, but look at that. It's marble. Okay, so oh, I love Drand. They're so nice though. They're welcoming. Anyway, so you've got what comes with it is you get the Apple cutout version, which is right there. Sorry about the lighting. I still want to fix that, as I've said, but I just don't have the money and the stuff yet organized. I just need to really get my setup organized, but I've got both without Apple cutouts, what I bought, but since this is iPhone 7 Plus, you pretty much get two options, and one is for, as I've set up here, it actually goes straight up to the lens, whereas one doesn't, and it just goes around the dented up bit, which I prefer perfection cutouts. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna set that aside now, and I'll be back for more. Post it. Okay. Right. So we got myself my iPhone 7 here, and we're going to be removing the stuff. All right. All right. So let's remove this so we can put on that brand new skin. This one over here, which is gonna look great. So it's a slow and careful process. I will probably time lapse it so you can do whatever, or I'll just show you bits. Alright, so that wraps it up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching throughout my crappy video. So practically, it looks great. Look at that finish. It honestly, this looks really good. I'm going to try and get this light to not do what it's doing right now. Honestly, guys, I can say this actually looks so good. I have no issue with it. I really must say the corners don't even bother me. There's only like 1 or 2 corners, actually only 2, that can have a little bit of a bother, but it really isn't much. That Apple logo, you hardly see the little thing, and that's just my fault, really. The previous time I did it, it was actually fine, but I have to tell you guys, it looks just so great and fantastic, and it fits my theme so well. I have to say, guys, please do check out Drand. I know I am not sponsored, obviously, but honestly, please do go check them out. It's about $9.95 to Australia for these, and over $20. If you pay over $20 for something, it's free shipping. So of course, it's a small company, that's why they do free shipping, because it's not that huge. They ship from Canada, and it doesn't even take long. Mine only took like 2.5 weeks to get here, and I'm all the way in Australia. So if you're near Canada, then you're gonna be all good. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do drop a like if you did enjoy it, or if you want to drop a like, because that would be great help, and that would really mean a lot to me. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.